Can't locate strange noises? Find the source now. Imagine lying in bed when suddenly you hear a mysterious knocking or a faint whistling sound. It can be unsettling, but most strange noises have simple explanations. The key is to stay calm and methodically investigate. Start by paying close attention to where the noise is loudest. Is it coming from the ceiling, walls, or floors? Noticing the exact location helps narrow down the source. Also, note when the noise occurs. Does it happen at night, during the day, or when certain appliances run? Timing clues can point to specific causes. Next, check your windows and doors. Gaps or worn weather stripping can cause whistling or draft sounds. Inspect these seals for visible damage or gaps. Sealing them with weather stripping or caulk can stop the noise and save energy. Then, look into your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. These systems often produce humming, rattling, or squealing noises if parts are loose or imbalanced. Regular maintenance, like tightening screws and lubricating moving parts, can make a big difference. Plumbing pipes can also creak or bang due to water pressure changes or house settling. If you hear banging sounds, check for loose pipes or fittings and secure them properly. Electrical issues can cause high-pitched ringing or buzzing sounds. If you hear these, turn off the circuit breaker for that area and look for signs like flickering lights or burn marks. If you're unsure, call a licensed electrician to avoid safety hazards. Household appliances such as refrigerators, dishwashers, and washing machines can generate noises that seem strange but are normal. If an appliance is old or malfunctioning, it might be louder than usual. Check if the noise coincides with their operation, and consider replacing or repairing noisy units. Houses naturally settle over time, causing creaks and groans, especially during temperature swings or at night. These sounds are usually harmless but can be surprising. The layout of your home also affects noise. Hard surfaces like tile or hardwood floors reflected sound, making noises seem louder or echoing. Adding rugs, curtains, or upholstered furniture can absorb sound and reduce the effect. External noises like traffic or yard work can also sneak inside if your windows are single pane or poorly insulated. Upgrading to double pane or insulated windows helps block out these sounds. By systematically checking each of these areas, you can often find the source of strange noises. Addressing drafts, loose parts, or insulation issues can eliminate many common household sounds. This way, you turn a puzzling noise into a simple fix, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Remember, most strange noises are normal parts of house life, but identifying and fixing them keeps your home comfortable and safe.